Computer Class 7 Chapter 1 Computer Languages and Software. Hello children, in our previous video we have discussed generation of computer languages and type of software. In this video we will discuss number system. Children, in early days people used fingers, handspan, stones, pebbles and sticks to count. Counting with these was not accurate. So, with the passage of time, gradually many number systems were introduced, like decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, etc. Children, you have already learned the decimal number system in your math subject. Here basically we will focus on binary number system and conversion of binary numbers into decimal number and vice versa. The decimal number system consists of 10 digits, that is 0 to 9 with the base 10. These numbers can be used separately or can be grouped to form higher numbers like 300, 350, 40, 45, etc. Binary number system consists of only two digits, that is 0 and 1 with the base 2, is known as the binary number system. A computer understands the language that is written only in the binary form. A computer expresses all data in terms of two digits, that is 0 and 1. Now let us understand the representation of decimal numbers with respect to their place value or the position of the digits in a number. For example, the number 592 can be written as, here you can see, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. In hundreds place 5 is written, tens place 9 is written, ones place 2 is written. So this can be represented as 500 plus 90 plus 2. This is in expand form. So this equal to 5 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 2 into 1, and this equal to 5 into 10 to the power 2 plus 9 into 10 to the power 1 plus 2 into 10 to the power 0. Why? Because anything raised to the power 0 is 1. That's why in 2 into 1, 1 is written as 10 to the power 0. Now let us see the conversion of a binary number into a decimal number. Convert binary number 110100 into its decimal equivalent. This example is given in your book. Let us see. First of all, multiply each number with 2 having power as 0 for the ones position. Start from the extreme right digits. In the second place from the right, you write 2 to the power 1, third place 2 to the power 2, fourth place 2 to the power 3, and so on. Now 1 into 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16 plus 0. 0 multiplied by any number is equal to 0, that's why 0, plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4 plus 0 plus 0. Now adding all the numbers we will get 52 and put base 10. Don't forget to put the base number. This indicates which number system we are writing it. This is very important. So while writing the numbers, if it is binary, then numbers will be in 0-1 form and you will write the base 2, and in decimal number system you will put the base 10. By seeing this base, we can easily say that this is written in which number system. Otherwise, it will make us confused. Let us take an example. Let us take a number 100 with base 2. You write this 100 with base 10. Now this 100 with base 2 and 100 with base 10 has different meaning and different value. So always write the base with the number. So it will be very much easier for us to identify which number system it is written. So 100 with base 2 in decimal, the value will be something, and 100, as you know, in decimal it is 100. So it is very important to write the base with the numbers. Children, now let us see the conversion of a decimal number into a binary number. Here in your book, one example is taken 29. To convert decimal number into binary, we have to repeatedly divide the given number by 2 and note down the remainder at every step. You know, when we will divide any number by 2, we will get the remainder as 1 or 0. Here you can see 29 divided by 2, quotient is 14, remainder is 1. Again 14 is divided by 2, quotient is 7, remainder is 0. Again 7 is divided by 2, quotient is 3, remainder is 1. 3 is divided by 2, quotient is 1, remainder is 1. Now this cannot be divided further. Now we got our binary number. Now we'll learn how to write the binary number. To write the result, you write the sequence of remainders from bottom to top and you get the binary number. So the binary equivalent of decimal 29 is 11101 base 2. Let us have another example. We will convert 48 decimal into binary. 48 24 remainder 0. Then 24 divided by 2, remainder 0. Then 12 divided by 2, remainder 0. 6 divided by 2, remainder 0. 3 divided by 2, remainder 1. So we know that to get the binary number, we will start from this place to this place. So the binary equivalent of 48 is equal to 1 1 0 0 0 0 4 0 0 0 0 0 base 2. Now we'll check whether this binary number is equivalent to 48 or not. So let us check. You know how to convert? Now number is 1 1 4 0 0 0 0 0 base 2 is equal to, you will write 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2. Right? Now here the extreme right 2, that is 2 to the power 0 1 2 3 4 5. This equal to 1 into 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 is equal to 16 plus 0 multiplied by anything is equal to 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Now this is equal to 32 plus 16 is equal to 48. So the answer is correct, right? Children, now we have come to the end of this chapter. You must practice this conversion in your home. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment box. In the next video, we will discuss the question answers. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.